Hey friends, this is Atif here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Veracity. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a descending triangle, and by the way, before that, we also broke out a channel as well. Price and rallied very well, but got rejected by a quite long-term resistance of $0.008. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, price and has recently broken down this very long-term support line. That starts from $0.005 from half cents to $0.0045. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, and support here, resistance here. And now, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And because after the breakdown, you can see that it is flipped into resistance and the price and is struggling a lot to break it out once again. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may see some price correction and to the upside, and during this correction move, the price then may break out this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, this breakout has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Kava, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying sign and sell target sign and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. First, the price line entered the buying zone here, and we had a very nice reversal. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here we have been following this descending triangle for the past several weeks. You can see that we found the resistance of the triangle here when it was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout from the channel, we tested the support here. And also, we tested the previous resistance of the channel as support as well. By the way, here we have a complete support zone that starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been breaking as a very strong support zone here back in the month of January 2022, December 2022, and January 2023. And now recently for the past several months, it is breaking as a very, very strong support. And now if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this descending triangle, you can see that recently, a few days ago, we broke out the resistance of the triangle. And technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be at this long-term resistance of $0.0095. And now you can see that during this price correction, we are also watching that stochastic is also entered the oversold zone. Therefore, now there is a probability that soon the price and may break out this resistance zone. However, in case of rejection by this resistance zone, it can again drop at this long-term support of $0.0035. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel, that move is also due. That target will be here at the top of the channel at 1.6 cents. And now let's take a look at the long-term target for the breakup from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.